Alright, so the socioeconomic status of the family plays a vital influence on career choice. Okay? The financial capacity of the family to send you to a course and school is a deciding factor in choosing a career. Okay? So, let me give you an example. There are courses or there are different types of courses na mahal yung tuition no matter what school you go to. Okay? So, for example, let me give you a job na bago ka maging pilot or bago ka maging, let's say, person who works in the travel industry, no? Talagang mapapagastos ka muna or mapapagastos muna yung nagpapaaral sa'yo. Kasi, kahit saan kang pumuntang school, especially in our country, mahal lang tuition ng course if you want to be a pilot someday. Okay? So, dun pa lang, 'di ba? Yung iba kahit na gusto man nilang maging pilot, they cannot really afford it. So, instead na maging pilot, pipili na lang sila ng ibang kurso. Pero kadalasan naman pinipili nila yung mas malapit sa pagiging piloto. So, yung iba, they would want to be flight attendant. Okay? So, aside from that, yung ibang gustong maging mechanical engineer. Okay? So, talagang magaling sila sa logic. Diba? They are really good in math. So, dahil hindi nila ma-afford yung school na malapit sa kanila na nag-o-offer ng mechanical engineering, so magta-transfer or hahanap na lang siya ng ibang school na nag-offer naman ng engineering. But, it is a different type of engineering. Pwedeng computer engineering. Okay? So, not totally expensive yung tuition ng mga schools nowadays when it comes to computer engineering. Or hindi ganon ka mahal. Okay? Ang tuition fee. And, on a more positive note, di ba? This may also serve as an inspiration in choosing a career. So, including applying for scholarships. So, if you really want to take that course, but financially, your parents cannot let you do that, no? You may encourage or they may encourage you to apply for scholarships, to find scholarships. Okay? Or to find somebody who could sponsor you into having that kind of course. Okay? So aside from that, there could be anyone who could make you pursue the best version of your future self. Like guidance counselor, teacher, neighbor, community, or community leaders, and others. So, marami talagang pwedeng makapag-impluensya sa'yo. Especially when you have to decide for your strand in senior high school or your course in college. Diba? So, there are other aspects that will surely influence your decision, and you just need to be sensitive enough to realize that. Okay? So, kahit na marami mang nakaka-impluensya sa'yo, always try to think about yourself as well, di ba? Huwag lang pa-impluensya lagi. You should also try to think about yourself. What will be the result someday? No? Kung pinili mo yung strand na hindi ka naman totally expert. Diba? So, pinili mo lang yun kasi inaya ka ng mga friends mo. Okay? So, bandang huli, dahil hindi mo pinag-isipang maigi, diba? The effects will be on you. Diba? So, maapektuhan talaga yung pamumuhay natin or yung buhay mo. Okay? So, aside from that, these are the tips in guiding you to check or to decide your senior high school track. Okay? So you have to decide it for yourself. First thing that you need to do is to understand yourself. Okay? So try to identify what you want. Ano nga ba talaga yung mga gusto mo? So ano nga ba yung mga bagay kung saan ka interesado? And what you can do and how your talents can be of use. Okay? So aside from that, number 2, another tip. Ask help and guidance from the right people. Okay? So, kaya nga din tayo merong guidance counselor. Okay? So, your guidance counselor can facilitate your journey to understand yourself better. So, if they are not around, you may want to seek help from your teachers or trusted adults. Okay? So, pwede mo rin kausapin yung mga katatanda sa'yo or yung mga magulang mo. Or you can talk to somebody who had the same experience as you. Yung mga nalito. For example, mga graduates na sila, working na. No? So, pwede mo rin silang tanungin kung ano nga bang, kung tama ba yung gagawin mong or yung pipiliin mong strands. Okay? Tama ba yung gagawin mong decision? Okay? So, aside from that, help yourself to be informed. So, read or watch informative programs or sources about senior high school tracks and strands from respectable and legitimate sources only. So nga pala class, later on I will attach on our Google Classroom a link regarding the different types of tracks for your senior high school. Okay? So you may also ask about the experience of your school's alumni or those who graduated from senior high school. Okay? So for number 4, you should also consider the pros and cons of your choice. So you are the most affected person by your choice because it pertains to your future path. So, pag yung mga bagay talaga na may kinalaman na sa future mo, di ba? Isipin mo rin, makakabuti ba yun sa'yo? Diba? Maganda ba magiging epekto? Kung hindi naman, ano kayang mangyayari sa'yo? Pag naging mali yung, or pag hindi mo pinag-isipan ng maigi yung pipiliin mo sa senior high school or kung ano yung gusto mo maging career someday. Ano? Hence, it will be wise of you to check the positive and negative outcome of choosing each track and strand. So, you must remember as well that you need to be involved in planning because it is your own future. Okay? So, wag lang basta pa-impluwensya sa sinasabi ng iba. Lalo na kung yayaan lang yan. Okay? Kasi, nasa sayo pa rin ang epekto noon dahil para naman yun sa future mo. Alright? So, let's have another activity. Okay? So, all you have to do is to write a simple self-prophecy about your senior high school life. So, what topics or activities would you be delighted to do or learn? Okay? How are you performing the activities in that level? So, mag-iisip ka ng situation someday, okay? Regarding your senior high school life, okay? And how do you want senior high school to help you reach your goals after basic education? Okay? So, you just have to continue this sentence. So, my senior high school life would be... Okay. Sige, pagpatuloy mo lang yung sentence. Okay? So, aside from that, we will have another activity. This is for what you have learned for our discussion today. Okay? So, all you have to do is copy and complete the sentences below on a sheet of paper. So, my greatest influence on a career pathing right now is, so sasagot mo dyan, ano kayong mga madalas na nakaka-impluensya sa'yo regarding your future decision or your decision regarding the future, regarding your careers, okay, or your career rather. And it leads me to consider blank. Okay? So, kung yung nakaka-impluensya na yun sa'yo, i-explain mo dito. Okay? Isusulat mo dyan, rather. And then dito, i-explain mo, paano kaya yun nakaka-epekto sa'yo ngayon regarding choosing your senior high school track or strand choice. Okay? So, aside from that, you can share your thoughts and feelings. All you have to do is to answer these questions. So, what are your thoughts, or what are the thoughts that comes to your mind about senior high school life? So, what feeling does it give you? Does it make you excited, nervous about your future? And how do you intend to prepare yourself for that? Okay? Sagutin mo lang tong mga questions na to. Just write your answers on a sheet of paper. Okay? Might as well copy the header para malaman natin kung saang part ka na. Anong part yung sinasagutan mo. Okay? And then, just a reminder, no? Do all the activities on a piece of paper. And take a picture of your answer. So, for example, di ba may mga activities akong pinakita sa inyo na kailangan nyong gawin earlier. Di ba? So, gagawin nyo siya sa papel. And then, aside from that, or once you're done making the activities, di ba? Just take a picture of your answer. And then, na-attach nyo yun sa Google form na isa-send ko. Okay? So, there's a link that I already posted on our Google Classroom na homeroom guidance, okay? Just click that Google form and then, pag-open nyo nun, dun nyo i-attach yung mga napicturan yung papel na may sagot ninyo. Okay? Okay, so aside from that, you can copy the format from the module if needed. Okay? So, naglagay na rin naman ako na example sa Google form natin. Okay? So, your homeroom guidance module 3 is already uploaded on our Google Classroom and ready for you to download. Okay? I already posted it. As of now, I already posted it on our Google Classroom. So, pwede nyo i-download, basahin ng maigi, lalo. And then, before you ask questions, please read the instructions carefully. Okay? So, kung may question man, okay, basta before you ask any question, basahin maigi yung instruction. But if you still have question, just message me on Messenger. Okay? So, that's all for today, class. I hope that all of you will finish your activities para hindi tayo natatambakan or natatabunan ng maraming missing activities. Okay? So, see you this Friday, no, sa ating subject mismo.